your all-in-one solution for your security needs.
Hi everyone, this is Fan Yue from Bytedance Sealsuite team. I am product solution architect. Today I'm going to show you a quick product demo. Now let's begin. On the home page, you can view various dashboards especially crafted to give you a quick overview of your organization's digital security status. Now let's move to the first part, identity. Here you can view the list of users grouped under various departments. You can add new members here or add a new department. For user roles, firstly you need to add members here. Here you go, and then you need to add roles. We have static role and the dynamic role. Here you go. Now let's move to account settings part. Account settings help you to manage user accounts, login, third-party authentication, direct synchronization, and MFA, and any more. In the authentication tab, you can control how users can log in into Sealsuite. The default settings are already optimized for most common use cases. You can add edit button here. You can choose login method by account, LDAP, or QR code. For login method display order, we can change the order here. And for the browser quick login, here, and also we can choose to adjust the client login session timeout period, 1 day to 90 days. Then for the account security part, password rules and the anti-brute force attack strategies are also listed here. For third-party authentication, we support many ways: Azure AD, Okta, Kerberos, etc. And for the data directory synchronization function, we can support LDAP, Windows AD, Okta, and also some other several ways. For MFA, for this part, Sealsuite supports several authentication methods: mobile OTP, email verification code, and SMS verification code. We can also push notifications to employees' mobile devices for authentication. Now let's move to the second part, application gateway. Let's click Add New Gateway button. Let's do a test. Enter your internal IP address. Enter your external IP address. Click Next Step. And then you need to copy and paste the command line into a Linux system to download, to install all this. And then click Next Step. The configuration is completed. Now let's test the connectivity. Okay. So for the application list, you can add application marketplace from here. If you need Jenkins, you can add it here. It's very easy to use, right? As for the third part is our network part. The first one is our Wi-Fi management. You can start your staff Wi-Fi configuration here. Start configuration. We support 802.1x authentication and portal authentication. Let's choose the first one. You need to enter your radius name, your authentication port, all this configuration work, and after that you can test connectivities here. And for the guest Wi-Fi, the same. Choose the first one, enter your radius name, internal IP, guest Wi-Fi authentication port, guest Wi-Fi accounting port, all this, and then check the connectivity status. Also, we support DOM terminals. Same to the employee and guest Wi-Fi configuration. Now let's move to the VPN management part. Firstly, we need to add VPN gateway. Let's do a test. Enter DNS server, IP address, external network address, the control port, the data port, IP pool, client side upload speed limits, 5 gigabits. Okay, next step. You need to copy and paste the command line into your Linux system to download and install this. And then click next step. The configuration is completed. Now you can test the connectivity. Okay, this is for the VPN gateway configuration. Here you can see all your online devices. And for the VPN access permission configuration, you can add here. You can give them permissions to 7 days, 30 days, or permanent VPN permissions. And for the access control rules module, you can do the module switch here. Default open, you can choose this into default restricted. Then all the employee traffic is restricted from accessing to any network resources. You can add new resources here. As for SD-WAN, you can configure branch gateway here. Let's do software version. We support many types SD-WAN: office branch, headquarter, data center, public cloud, etc. Let's do a test. Now let's move to the fourth part, device management. You can see all devices listed here in the device list: device status, disk usage, etc. Whether to install MDM control, or even user information. And also you can add more columns into your list: roles, update time, create time, device model, IP addresses, MAC address, etc. For the device registration, we can write registration policies here. You can configure approval method here, from automatic approval or manual approval. For the device control part, you can see all risk events here, and we can set up new rules here. For the detection rules, we support endpoint baseline scanning, application security scanning, and process security scanning. And for the detection method, we support regular inspection, scan on triggers, etc. And the scope is based on employee or devices. And we can also do the patch management. For the software management, the first page is software statistics. You can see all your Mac, Linux, Windows software license number or device status, device information here. And for the license management, you can add software license here, turn on the software statistics function. And for software distribution part, you can add package here. Then you can distribute this software to all your employees. In the end is our security part. DLP is the main advantages function we provided. You can create audit rules here in policy configuration part. If it is detected that the file is sent to messaging applications such as QQ, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, or WeChat, etc., Messenger, the audit action will be conducted. And same for other apps and even command line tools. And we also support copy to clipboard. If you copy or cutting text content from software to the clipboard, we can also detect that and do some conduction actions. And for watermark, here you can build visible watermark or invisible watermark. For the peripheral control, we can set different access rules for different devices tabs, like USB flash drives, mobile drive, CD-ROM. And we support read and write mode, read-only mode, or disable mode. Now let's move to the antivirus control part. You can do policy configuration here. We support different virus detection. For instance, Trojan, ransomware, backdoor, malicious mail, etc. In the dynamic control part, you can choose trigger tab first. You choose dynamic trigger, then configure limit device VPN or limit Wi-Fi usage and some other network restrictions and false actions here. Or kick out sessions by did. Or send notification with third-party app, etc. So basically that's all we have for our Sealsuite product demo. For more details, please ask our engineers for help. Thanks for your time and see you next time.